At the beginning of May, I took the train across Canada. My first stop after getting off the ocean was in Montreal. I took the opportunity to check out the Montreal Metro and the brand new REM, the Rousseau Express Metropolitan. Here's some clips from that trip. I took the opportunity to check out the MPM 10 Azure trains. These recently went into service on the orange and green lines to replace the original MR63 equipment that was procured when the Montreal Metro opened in the 60s. These trains were built in Pointe-à-Terre by a consortium of Bombardier and Alstom. The trains feature branding from both companies. Subsequently, Alstom bought out Bombardier's transportation. These trains are open all the way through, which is a big difference between the older MR63 and 73 equipment, which feature individual cars and do not allow people to move between them. As you can see all the way to the end of the train. The new Azure Metro trains look distinctly modern, but also maintain the visual language of the original, including that soft Montreal Metro blue. I think they're fantastic. Next, I headed over to Barrie, Yukon to check out the Yellow Line, which is still running the MR73 equipment. This three-stop line serves Ile Saint-Hélène and Jean Drapeau Station and travels to Longueuil, Quebec. As this was a Saturday, there were 2 trains in operation. Here, the train will pull into one platform, then back out of the station, and pull into the closer platform to load for the outbound journey towards Longueuil. The distinct Montreal departure tone signals the train leaving the station. Here we can see it backing out of the station and going through the switch just beyond the platforms, and then the train will pull in to allow people bound in the opposite direction to board. And now the train pulls back into the station. Here we can see the interior of the MR73 cars. very distinct in that they are individual cars and you cannot transfer between them. I also took the opportunity to ride the REM. The first portion of this line opened in July 2023, and the remainder is expected to open in 2025 with the connection to the airport in 2027. This line makes use of Alstom Metropolis equipment, currently on the Saturday operating 2 car sets, but 2 of these can be combined to make for a 4-car. The current line runs from Gare Centrale to Brossard and is entirely grade separated, including a crossing of the brand new Champlain Bridge. All the stations on the REM are enclosed with platform screen doors. Here the train is pulling into Ile-des-Sœurs. It should be noted that the entire line is automated and the trains are driverless. This opens the front window to passengers to see where they're going. That's how I was able to shoot this video. Leaving Ile-des-Sœurs, we cross the Champlain Bridge. This is a new bridge that replaced the previous bridge and is of a cable stay design. It was specifically built with room for the REM to operate down the middle. This trip takes approximately 3.5 minutes. I've sped up the video 2 times for this portion. Here's a look at Ducatier Station, the second last on the line. I chose to turn around here and head back into Gare Centrale. Trains are open with lots of room for standing. As it was a weekend, I didn't have the opportunity to take a look at EXO, which is Montreal's interurban commuter train using heavyweight bi-level rail cars similar to Toronto's GO Transit. I hope to be able to do that in the future. The REM does pass its maintenance facility at Pointe Claire, so you do get a good view from the REM. As we were leaving Gare Centrale on the REM, we had the opportunity to see one of Vienna's new Siemens Venture Charger train sets departing the station as well. This one's being led by the crew cab. If you like this video, hit the bell to be notified of future videos. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.